JBS USA, a leading global food company, has entered into a strategic partnership with Green Gas USA to produce renewable natural gas, RNG, at several of its beef and poultry processing facilities across the United States. This collaboration aligns with JBS's broader commitment to sustainable transformation, with a strong focus on reducing greenhouse gas, GHG emissions. The partnership leverages circular economy principles, transforming waste byproducts from food production into renewable energy, which is a crucial step toward addressing climate change. Wesley Batista Filho, CEO of JBS Foods USA, underscored the importance of this initiative in JBS's overall sustainability strategy. At JBS and Pilgrims, we're committed to reducing the impact of food production by partnering with stakeholders to reduce our carbon footprint, he said. This collaboration with Green Gas USA is a perfect example of these efforts. This innovative approach takes what was once an unused byproduct of food production and transforms it to offset a significant amount of fossil fuels. This process can be a model for the rest of the industry to follow. Through this collaboration, Green Gas USA will install state-of-the-art on-site gas upgrading systems at JBS facilities. These systems are designed to collect biogas from the wastewater streams produced during food processing. Biogas, a mixture of gases that results from the breakdown of organic matter in the absence of oxygen, will then be purified and converted into pipeline-quality RNG. Once purified, this RNG can be used to replace traditional fossil fuels, thus significantly reducing the carbon footprint of JBS's operations. The environmental impact of this initiative is substantial. JBS estimates that the RNG produced from these systems will help displace emissions equivalent to 60 million miles driven by a car, or 26 million pounds of coal burned. This figure highlights the potential of renewable energy projects like this one to make a meaningful contribution toward global efforts to combat climate change. The first installations will occur at 3 JBS locations: its beef processing plants in Grand Island, Nebraska, and Hiram, Utah, as well as Pilgrim's poultry processing facility in Sumter, South Carolina. The Sumter Facilities project is expected to be completed by early 2025, while the Grand Island and Hiram projects are projected to be finished by the end of 2025. These 3 locations are just the beginning, as JBS aims to expand its RNG projects to other facilities if these initial installations prove successful. This partnership is just one piece of a larger sustainability puzzle for JBS. Since 2019, the company has launched more than 25 projects aimed at capturing or eliminating methane emissions from waste lagoons at its facilities. Methane, a potent greenhouse gas, is a natural byproduct of anaerobic digestion that occurs in waste lagoons. By capturing and either destroying or repurposing this methane, as the world continues to grapple with the impacts of climate change, initiatives like this are crucial. JBS's collaboration with Green Gas USA reflects a growing recognition that businesses must play an active role in the fight against climate change. This project is a powerful reminder of the potential for innovation and technology to drive sustainability in even the most traditional industries. As more companies begin to prioritize environmental responsibility, the food production sector will play a crucial role in helping to achieve global climate goals. JBS's commitment to reducing GHG emissions through RNG projects is a strong step in the right direction, offering a model for others to emulate. Thanks for watching. Today we explored how JBS USA is taking major steps towards sustainability by initiating renewable natural gas RNG projects at its processing plants. This move not only helps reduce greenhouse gas emissions, but also promotes a cleaner, more efficient future for energy use in the food industry. It's inspiring to see how companies can leverage technology for environmental benefits, and it'll be exciting to see where this journey takes them. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Share your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear your take on these innovative projects. And if you're into learning more about how health and sustainability intersect, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on my latest videos. Thanks again for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one.